doing some work on the Traveler. We have to fix rear spring mounts. They were poorly done. So let's take a look at what we're working with. Somebody has cut these mounts off and welded them back on in this orientation, probably to get a little bit of lift. These should actually be turned and they should run sideways. What this has done is all the pressure of the frame rail was on this really thin wall. So all the suspension forces are going against here. And over time, you can't see it right now, but as we get into it, we'll look. The frame is cracked out all around. So basically we're going to cut this entire thing off and then we're going to start fresh.
You can see we have the mount cut off using a Sawzall. That's the easiest way. And I also have ground out all of the cracks that you can see here. It's important to grind those out so they don't spread. And I used a MIG welder to just fill in these cracks and kind of fill in the areas that were really damaged that we hogged out. And after we filled this in, we've grind it smooth. And you can see I've welded on the brackets here. They turned out really, really good. And this will be a lot stronger.